Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. But we're going to get into some things with something new with this hair, okay? So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we're going to be right back.
It ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I were more than you could manage. Yeah. Oh, be with me. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me. Oh, giving me signs. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right. The whole time, so just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. Cause with me, know you could do damage. You could do damage. You do damage. Yeah. Worry about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only get me if I let you. No, what you're doing is just for pleasure. Either learn me or I'm a lesson. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I went more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you'll fall with me. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me. Oh, giving me signs. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. You could be telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. Cause with me, know you could do damage. You could do damage. You do damage. Oh, you could do damage. Oh, you could do damage. Yeah. Oh, you could do damage.
Welcome back. So as you guys saw, today is my first natural hair video. I have not done any natural hair videos on my channel. I have been in the process of regrowing my hair. My hair broke off really bad. I've been natural for a couple years, but I just didn't really know how to make my hair grow. I finally found the secret recipe for me, and I do plan on sharing with you guys at a later date how I grew my hair. Here are just a few pictures of my hair journey, but I want to get to a certain length before I really share and say, you guys, this worked 100%. I'm not sponsoring any videos. It's not any advertisement. This is everything that I paid out of my pocket for that worked for me. So I'm excited to share this journey. You probably will get the video in the fall, but in the meantime, this was a quick and easy Fineapple hairstyle. And it's no tugging and pulling on my hair, so I'm not getting any headaches. So I am so happy for that. I originally used a black rubber band. It is covered in like some oils just so it's not pulling on my hair, but it's not tight enough. There are like these natural hair things that you pull and tie. I don't know the name of them. They're on Amazon, and I'm not gonna lie, they're like $25. And I'm like, that's ridiculous. So I'm gonna see if maybe I can find some on Wish or Shein or Alibaba for cheaper. Of course it's going to take like 2 months to get here, but well, not with Shein, but with the others it'll take like a month or 2 to get here. But yeah, this is an easy, low maintenance hairstyle. I'm so happy. I use my Eben edge control. I almost wanted to say lace tint because I have their lace tint too, but this is edge control from Eben. I really like this brand because I have 4C hair, so it really lays my edges down. I did go in with a little bit of Got To Be Glued spray, and then I went along with a regular hair scarf, wrapped my hair for a couple minutes, and yeah, that was pretty much it. Prior to, I did have a twist out. I washed my hair, I twisted it out, and I just left it in for a couple days. I used my headband wig when I went to the gym and things like that. But yeah, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take it out, I'm gonna record this video, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do a quick and easy hairstyle. My husband is loving the hair because he always sees me with straight backs or, you know, twists because I wear wigs a lot. But you know, I wanted to try something different. I wanted to give myself a little break from the wigs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick, easy video. Please give me a thumbs up. It's my first natural hair video. Show me some love. And if you've been on my channel before and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing, sis? Hit that subscribe button. It's free to support, you know, it's free to support. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Donita_P. I'm also on TikTok as well. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.